Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can download apps on iPhone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to download the apps, here you can see the App Store. Okay, if you are not going to find from here the App Store, then you can search also. Okay, suppose here from this apps you can see the iTunes Store. If you are not going to find the App Store, then you can search this store. Okay, or you can slide from this side. Then after that, from here you can see the many apps, and here is the app library, and from here you can tap and search. Okay, so tap on this app. Okay, when you tap, suppose I will show you again. Okay, from which app you have to tap. Here you can see this app. Okay, on this side also you are going to find this app's name. You can see here's the App Store. Okay, tap on App Store. When you tap on App Store, here you can see on the down is the search, and here is the arcade, and here is the apps, and here is the games. Okay, and if you want to download the apps, then tap on apps. Okay, wait, I just cancel. Here's the app. Okay, tap on app. Then after that, from here, suppose you want to download from here any of them. Okay, example, like you want to download the games. Okay, so example, I'm showing you, you want to download this Monopoly Go or Pokemon Go. Okay, so I'm going to download this Pokemon Go options. Then after that, here you can see the get. So just tap on get. When you click on get, it says the Apple ID password. Enter the password for this number. This is my number, so you have to enter your Apple ID password. Okay, so after you enter your ID, then only your app will be installed successfully. You cannot install easily without Apple ID password. Okay, that's why you have to enter your Apple ID password. Okay, you can sign in also, and if you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot password. Okay friends, so this is how you can download your app. Suppose this is my Apple ID. Here I don't want to download. Okay, but I just tap it. Then after that, here it says auto fill password, but I'm not filling the password again. Okay, so friends, this is how you can install your apps on your iPhone. And friends, hope you love, and if you love it, do not forget and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.